This is my Lidl glider, and this is Felix Lidl glider, and this is a glider, but this is not glider. This is an airplane because it has a motor. And now what we're going to do is we will do something crazy, and we will tow this airplane with this one. I have no idea if this is going to work, but we will try anyway.
Here we go.
Here we go. On. You ready? Oh. Yeah. Okay, so, bro.
Yeah.
We run, but when I start counting, I will say 3, 2, 1, you throw. I say run, and then we run.
Yeah, we
Then I say 3, 2, 1, throw, and just let go. You don't push, let go, because I will. Run, 3, 2, 1, go! No way! No way! I cannot accelerate all No way!
Hey, 300 Meter!
I don't have any metal, but I'm sorry. 9. Cool.
Der ist ja eher unten als die Motormüll.
Ja.
Mach doch auch.
Excellent. So we do it exactly like before, you know?
It was too easy.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright. Landing. Yeah. No, yours no. It's different. I'll crash. Schön.
Die Achse habe ich auch noch mit freien Blättern.
That's it. Very good. Bravo. That was perfect. It worked. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Sounds so great.
Yeah, but it's so hot. Yeah, it's so hot. Now I will just cool it down and maybe try it fly it. Yes. It worked.